We made it down to Swansea with no dramas. Here we are at Cathrine Hill Bay, about to dive with this coal loader. Benny's first dive in a while. How you feeling, Ben?
I'm feeling as confident as an open water dive.
Absolutely blessed with the weather up here at Swansea. Could not get any better after all the rain we've been having. Dive plan. Gonna head out along the piers there, head perpendicular to them, go around. There's meant to be a little channel around the corner to the right.
So we didn't actually end up exploring further to the right of this dive site due to some pretty big swells out around the rocks there. Next site on our radar was Swansea Bridge.
Now we're traversing the exit. Oh no! Well, I'd give that dive probably a 7 out of 10. Not bad, bit of a gnarly exit though. Oh, watch out! What? Oh, oh my God. Some people got a bit smashed up on the rocks. Just dropped the tanks off for a refill down at Dive Newcastle. Next we're going to Swansea Bridge. The visibility doesn't look promising, but we're still going to pursue the adventure. Lads, what did we think of the bridge? Good. What would you give it, Benny?
I'd give it a 8, 9. I'd give it a 9 because it was unexpected how good it was. Considering
it's a dive site underneath a highway, there's a decent amount of fish to see. So if you come up to Swansea, check it out.
On our way back to Sydney, we decided to squeeze one last dive in at Terrigal Beach boat ramp.
Banjo, give us a dive report. First things first, that was cold. Banjo's wetsuit has been broken the whole time.
Those 2 cuttlefish, couple wobbegons. It's pretty bloody good.
Yeah, folks. Pretty bloody good.